In this lesson, we will talk about singular and plural noun. Let's begin. The definition of singular noun is it refers to one person, place, thing, or idea, like cat, book, child, city. Those all says about one person or one thing. Let's talk about plural. It refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea, like cats, books, children, cities, etc. Now we'll talk about some rules to convert singular to plural. Generally, add s after singular noun, like cat becomes cats, pen becomes pens, table becomes tables, etc. If singular noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, or z, then you have to add es, like bus becomes buses, fox becomes foxes, quiz becomes quizzes, etc. If the final two letters, first consonant and then y, then you have to remove y and add ies, like baby becomes babies, party becomes parties, city becomes cities, etc. If the final two letter, first one is vowel and second one is y, then add s, like boy becomes boys, day becomes days, etc. If final letter contains f or fe, then you add ves and remove f or fe. Let's see. Leaf becomes leaves, knife becomes knife, etc. There are some exceptions like roofs, roof is roofs, belief is beliefs. There are more exceptions. You can search this in the search engine and find it out. Some irregular plural noun, there have no rules. Man, plural form is men, woman, women, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice, person, people. You can search this as regular plural noun example and you will get more examples. That's all for today. Thank you.